dudes and dudettes. It's Wednesday, and we're gonna go a little bit out of the box here because usually we just do it on Sundays, but this time we want to get it done, and we got some time on our hands. So Sunday we're gonna keep going, but for today we're just gonna do an hour, maybe hour and a half too, and then these guys are gonna clean up the place a little bit because we kind of made a mess. So that'll be good. So we got some room to work. Today we're gonna do what?
Nothing.
Clean up this
Mess. We were already busy.
I think we'll align the rear wheel.
Align the rear wheel.
Yeah,
Cut off the bud guard.
Exactly.
And then we'll see. Well, we'll take it from there.
Yeah.
See how long that takes us. All right.
Start with the ankles.
Yeah. Let's get to work. Mr. B, what did you go and pick up today?
My bike.
You went to go pick up your Glide.
Yeah.
Because it's been in storage for a couple of months now. Because guess what? Guess what he's gonna do to it? Because it's in his yard now.
Shine, shine, shine.
He's gonna buff the bishop.
Yes, I am.
That's right. So first, I guess we're gonna take off the side here. Careful, because the nut on the back is gonna be loose.
What? Your nut loose?
There's a nut in the front as well.
Yeah, holding on to the other guy's nuts.
Yeah.
Oops.
That's not gonna work.
Okay, so now we got that off there. There's no more air in the shocks now. So that's okay.
My fellow idiot. Idiot. You promoted.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, you became a fellow.
It's true.
You could probably go back a little bit straight up here. We cut it off so that the belt doesn't hit it anymore. And now it's the art of putting things back together, and it's really hard to get to the parts. So I'm gonna let the boys do that. Filming it would be really boring to watch. So we'll just let you know when it's done. We got it on there, replaced the mud guard. Now we're checking the tension of the belt and the distance for the wheel, make sure the wheel's straight.
That should be okay.
10 pounds.
Yeah, this one's the special tool for Harley belt. You just get the O-ring on the 10 here. Just squeeze this together and it'll give you 10 pounds of force. We don't have the guard, so we don't have the exact spot. Yeah, it should be somewhere here. I think so too. Roughly, rough estimate. I think it's a bit too loose, but
So Mr. B made his own alignment tool. It's pretty fancy. It's just a straight.
He stole it.
Oh, he stole it.
no, I made it.
You made it. You made it. Say.
Stud. I don't know what you call
Your
it.
stud.
The studs with some points on it and
This one can be moved in a locking position. It's a bit too long, but you can check the center of your axle, rear axle, and the center of the swing arm pivot shaft.
Yeah.
This one is here. This one goes here. Just tighten it. Okay.
And now you have your exact distance, and then you go to the other side.
And this should fit.
And do the same one here.
That's exact.
Guy's a genius when it comes to things like that. Now that the tire is properly in place and aligned, we're going to move to the next project of this bike, and that's putting on the primary cover. These are the new gaskets.
Bye.
And he's got a pack of new bolts, and he walks away.
Here I am again.
There he is. So what we got here is all the debris and all the metal shavings that's left. That we found loose in the case when we took it apart. Totally shot.
That was this one actually.
That was that one. That one came loose. So Mr. M's left up with the cleaning job again.
I'm actually having fun.
Yeah, you like this, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, back to nature.
Uh-huh. Now that Mr. M did his job
What?
like a good girl and cleaned up all the materials, degreased it, got rid of all the debris, now it's time to replace. Time to recover.
Just put the oil in.
Let's put the oil in.
Is it in yet? I don't know.
Well, not yet. I'm not that.
Now that we got all the oil in there, 1.4 liters according to the book. Turn it around. Alright guys,
Hello, guys.
so we got all the parts put back together that we wanted to do today. Fix the mudguard, put on the primary cover, tighten them down. So next week we're going to be doing the floorboards, the rectifier, and the shifter pegs. And if we got time, we're going to do the exhaust. So stick around for that one. And hey, we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Yeah.